Remember guys, there's always fitness people on the internet promising that one weird trick that will make you gain 20 pounds of muscle. Well, this is that one weird trick that will allow you to... Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Strength Classroom. Today, I'm going to talk about something that has kind of plagued my deadlift for years, and now within the last 2-3 months, I finally figured out how to make it better. So, I'm just going to ask a quick favor. If you do enjoy the videos, please like the video. It helps my videos get shown to other people, which then grows the channel and allows me to make these videos more frequently for you guys. But, let's get on to the topic. So, this always happened to me. It always held my deadlift back. If I ever got to a point in the lift where it started getting challenging and I had to do it for reps, I would then have to let out all my air at the bottom. I would completely deflate. All my muscle tension would be gone. And then the next rep would either be a fail or be the last rep on the set. So, and I knew I always had more in the tank. It's just because I went from having all this tension to letting it all go, and then I was fatigued, and it's hard to get that tension and that bracing back. And I never felt this problem with bench, barbell row, stiff leg deadlift, anything where the tension wasn't from a dead stop. I never had a problem with that. So I finally figured out how to make this better. Instead of trying to gather my air again at the bottom, I start letting out a little bit of my air at the top while I'm still up there, get my air, brace, put it back down on the floor, stay there for like half a second to a second, and then keep going. And I've noticed this has allowed my deadlift sets for reps be a lot better, which then built my strength, and now I find my 1 rep max is growing due to the fact that I can do more 3 to 5 reps and get the more challenging reps of the sets in, as opposed to always cutting myself short. So on certain sets where maybe I would have stopped at like 4 or 5, I can now get to the 7, 8, or even 10 range easily, just due to this small little deadlift tip. Remember guys, there's always fitness people on the internet promising that one weird trick that will make you gain 20 pounds of muscle. Well, this is that one weird trick that will allow you to add reps to your deadlift. So it's nothing groundbreaking. It's just, instead of trying to gather your air and brace again at the bottom, try doing it at the top. If you're someone like me that would struggle with doing deadlifts for reps. So throughout this video, I've been showing examples of this where I used to just basically die and then be done with it. And that's why my deadlift was being held back so long. So if this happens to you, try bracing at the top, not at the bottom. Look at that, thumbs up, thumbs down. So if you like this video, please click that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share the videos with your friends if you think they'll like them as well. If you have a question for me, drop them in the comments, and class is dismissed, mother.